Let's talk about some of the credit cards that I've used to buy properties with. I have my First National Bank of Omaha gasoline credit cards. Yes, these are actually gasoline cards. How do I use those for financing rental properties? Well, that's what we're going to talk about. Now, both of these cards are actually regular credit cards as well. It means you don't just have to use them at the gas station, regular Visa and MasterCard. But they also give you 4 to 7% balance transfers. Now, here's the kicker. They actually give you 60-month balance transfers. So you get 5 years to pay these off. I like to use these as much as possible. I love getting the low interest. I usually use them when I get an offer for 4 or 5, maybe even 6%. I try not to go much higher than that. I definitely stay in the single digits for my interest rates, even though some of these cards will offer you 12 and 13%, which is kind of silly because you can use a regular card for that. They give you 5 years to pay these back, so that's a great way to do the same thing. Get quick cash. You can usually deposit this in your bank within a couple days. Get a transfer into your account, and then you have that cash to buy properties. So I might put that amount on it, and then I'll use the BRRRR strategy: buy, rehab, rent, refinance, repeat is what that stands for. So I'll buy the property in cash. You can always get a discount when you buy in cash. You can buy properties that banks won't loan on, so you get much better deals. You buy that property in cash, you rehab it, you get a tenant in there, rent it out, then you refinance it and pull that money back, and then you pay off this card and get it ready for the next use. So it's just a way of being able to get quick money when you find a deal, and that's really what you want to do. Well, that's it for this video. I hope this helps somebody. If it does, please like and subscribe down below.